Hello, Senior 2. I'm Miss Hagar Atif. Today we will make a revision on Chapter 3. Choose the correct answer. Number 1, 3 elements of atomic numbers C11, B10, A9. The possible combination takes place between the atoms. A, B with C, B, A with B, C, B with itself, D, C with A. B10 is noble gas, so it can't be make a combination with any atom. So the answer will be C with A. Question number 2. When two atoms of an element of atomic number 9 combine together to form a molecule, the formed bond is A metallic, B coordinate, C ionic, D covalent. Element of atomic number 9, its electronic configuration 2,7. So it will gain one electron to be stable. So it will be non-metal. Two non-metals make a covalent bond. So the answer will be D, covalent bond. Question number 3. The bond in hydrogen fluoride molecule is polar covalent because the atoms are different in location in periodic table, B. electron affinity, C. electronegativity, D. ionization potential. The answer will be C. electronegativity. Question number 4. sp hybridized orbitals are characterized by A. They are 3 in number, B. They are 2 orbitals, C. They are linear in shape, D. B and C are correct. The answer will be B and C. Why? Because they are 2 orbitals, S orbital and P orbital, and they make linear in shape. So the answer will be D. Question number 5. In acetylene molecule, A. The two carbon atoms are linked by 1 sigma and 1 pi bonds. B. The two carbon atoms are linked by 1 sigma and 2 pi bonds. C. The two carbon atoms are linked by sp hybridized orbitals. D. B and C are correct. The answer will be B and C because acetylene, its formula is C2H2. So the two carbon atoms are linked by 1 sigma and 2 pi bond because it's a C triple bond C, H and H. And linked by sp hybridized orbitals. So the answer will be D. Question number 6. sp3 hybridized orbitals produced from overlap of هتبقى A 1s and 2p orbitals, B 2s and 2p orbitals, C 1s and 3p orbitals, D 1s and 1p orbitals. So the answer will be C 1s and 3p orbitals. Question number 7. When two oxygen atoms combine together to form a molecule, this process takes place by A. Each atom shares by 1 electron to form 1 covalent bond. B. One atom donates a lone pair of electrons to the other one. C. Each atom shares by 2 electrons. D. A polar covalent bond is formed between the two atoms. The answer will be C because the oxygen needs 2 electrons to be stable. So each oxygen atom will shares by 2 electrons. Question number 8. The chemical formula of the produced compound is combining of element Y neon 10 3s2 3p4 with element X neon 10 3s1 is A xy2, B x2y, C yx, D xy. The answer will be x2y. Why? Because Y is divalent because it needs 2 electrons to be stable. So it will be divalent. And X is monovalent because it loses 1 electron to be stable. So X take 2 from Y and Y take 1 from X. So the answer will be B, X2Y. Question number 9. Aluminum chloride is a covalent compound because the difference in electronegativity between chlorine and aluminum is A equal 1.7, B more than 1.7, C less than 1.7, D equal 0. In a covalent compound, the difference in electronegativity is high, but less than 1.7. So the answer will be C, less than 1.7. Question number 10. The molten dots doesn't conduct electricity. A. Lithium chloride, LiCl. B. Aluminum chloride, AlCl3. C. Magnesium chloride, MgCl2. D. Sodium chloride, NaCl. Lithium chloride and magnesium chloride and sodium chloride are ionic compounds. In ionic compounds, they are good conductor of electricity. But the aluminum chloride is a covalent compound, doesn't conduct electricity. So the answer will be B, aluminum chloride. Question number 11. Which of the following compounds molecules contains the 2 bond pairs and the 2 lone pairs of electrons? A. NH3, B. SO2, C. H2S, D. BF3. The answer will be H2S. Question number 12. The stereostructure of the molecule which is formed atoms can not be linear if the hybridization in the central atom is A sp only, B sp2 only, C sp3 only, D sp2 or sp3. The answer will be sp2 or sp3 because the sp only can make linear shape. Question number 13. In dissolving hydrochloric acid HCl gas in water, dot bond is formed between positive hydrogen ion and water molecule. A covalent, B anionic, C a hydrogen, D a coordinate. The answer will be a coordinate because positive hydrogen ion and water molecule will form hydronium ion with a coordinate bond. Question number 14. Which of the following values represents the difference in electronegativity in a good electric conducting compounds? A 0.4, B 1.2, C 1.5, D 2.5. The ionic compounds is a good conductor of electricity, and the difference in electronegativity is more than 1.7. So the answer will be D 2.1. Question number 15. What is the number of sigma bonds in the opposite compound? H2C, double bond C, double bond CH2. A4, B6, C8, D2. The answer will be 6 because there is 2 sigma bonds between C and the H2, and there is one only sigma bond between C and C, and another sigma bond between C and another C, and C and H2 there is 2 sigma bonds, so equal 6. Question number 16. Hydrogen bonds are found between the molecules of all the following compounds except AHF, BNH3, CHCl, DH2O. The answer will be HCl. Okay, thank you.